I need to talk with you guys about everything and nothing in particular. As I'm knitting, I realise we creative people are so blessed. We have skills, something useful, others not so much. Nevertheless, we can entertain ourselves and get something out of it. A scarf, a sweater, or something as ridiculously fun as an emotional support chicken. I think that the love we pour into our projects is something precious, and beyond anything, it's therapeutic too. I heard about several studies that conclude the same thing. Crafting, crocheting and knitting in particular, are healing for our minds. It has been compared to EMDR therapy, and I do think, after having that myself, that knitting is comparable, but more enjoyable. It involves the senses, using wool in our hands and smelling the lanolin. It feels so wonderful and delicious to handle soft wools. I have been knitting since I was a child, learned from both my mother and my grandmother, which gives me the feeling of connection between the generations. Currently I'm in my period in my life that is called perimenopause, and it freaks me out. Sometimes I'm okay, sometimes I'm not, definitely not. Brain fog, ringing ears, fears I've never had before, and mood swings my husband's run from. How comforting it is then for me to pick up some needles. Okay, I'm resisting the urge to stab someone with it. And its scarf. I know this too shall pass, but it will pass like a kidney stone, I fear. In the meantime, I will try and talk to you guys, so this period in every woman's life will feel not so alone. Take my hand and head to Crazyland. At least there's wool.